The new Spotlight feature in EZWrite 6 makes your lessons more interactive and engaging. You can find the Spotlight in the toolbox. Bring it up by tapping the icon. You can move it around with your finger, or tap and hold to make it appear anywhere on the board. To change the Spotlight size, simply use 2 fingers. By tapping the Settings button, you can also adjust the size of the Spotlight as well as the shadow opacity. You can also access the Spotlight outside of EZWrite by using the floating tool. Use it over any app or any shared screen like a connected laptop. Explore new ways to give more engaging lessons with the new EZWrite Spotlight.